Hey, I'm Fish. I'm with the Insta360 Pro 2 and a DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro on the side. I'm gonna do a little review today of a extension bar battery operated power bank for your bike. They painted lines. I just think that one of my filters changed. So let's pull over here to the side of the pier and do what I have to do and what I do best today. Well, I grabbed the shots I needed and I did it with the 5 Pro by DJI Osmo. Yeah, so it's time for me to get on out of here. Need some fishing gear? There you go. Well, I got things to take care of, things to do, things to stash, things to show. I gotta go meet up with Joe. I'm in the tunnel! See ya! Been a long time since I used Italian by Armor. I had a wire and it got caught in the axle, I guess, and it's fixed now. We're going to see what we can do. I don't want to put my camera down and crash into it. A little dusty. Let's go get some fun. Oh, wait a second. Let me take off my tool. Look at that. How did that get in there? I left behind. I don't have reverse. So let me fix my reverse. I think I'm going to retire this car. Alright, I'm putting this bad boy away for another day. Man, let me tell you, see what 4K 60 can show. I'm not doing that again. This thing topped out.